Namaskar. It is hard to believe that Mr. Arnav Goswami is illegally arrested by Mumbai police. And this is not the matter of the illegal arresting of Mr. Arnav Goswami. The MD and the very veteran and senior journalist Arnav Goswami got arrested today by the Mumbai police. And it was all of a sudden the things has happened and it is being shown in the media. It should be largely and widely criticized. I, on the behalf of Motherland Voice, I condemn this act of the government, this coward act of the government, that this is not at all accepted in this civilian world, in the civilized society, because media is being regarded since the ancient time as the fourth pillar of the democracy. When the concept of democracy came into existence, since then media has been providing a very higher role to make the democracy very strong. And this kind of act is rarely found in this entire world. And in India, after emergency, this kind of act has taken place. So I, on the behalf of Motherland Voice and Working Journalist of India, as I belong to Working Journalist of India and having the responsibility of the National Vice President of Working Journalist of India, I personally and on behalf of my organization, I condemn this kind of act, and it should never repeat again in any part of the world. Even this kind of act was not taking place during the British period. You see, when the Britishers were taking so many action against against the freedom fighters, then also this kind of, then also the media was not this much restricted to publish such kind of news. This time we are very sad, and it's a black day for media and the media world. I appeal to the government of India, I appeal to the government of Maharashtra, as well as the Supreme Court to look into this matter and immediately resolve this kind of situation. Thank you.